Okay, so parts laid out here for issue 23 of the Valentino Rossi MotoGP bike. Oil filter and pipe work. So I think that's the oil filter, as you can see. Yeah, it looks like an oil filter, doesn't it? And some pipe work. Some very nice detailing on this. I mean, it's 1:4 scale, so it's always going to be fairly, well detailed. And it is going to be a very impressive motorbike when it's built. So yeah, very nice parts, very nicely detailed, even down to the kind of detailing on the paintwork on the different colours for the pipes and the fasteners. So very, very nice. But this will be the build, the assembly, carrying on the assembly, I guess, for the engine for issue 23. Okay, so it's asking me to collect the cylinder head cover, issue 14, so I've got that over. See the cylinder head itself, or cylinder block, and the gasket, and 2 type B screws. Yep, got the B screws as well. Okay, so I've got everything I need. Okay, so it's taking off the sticky back plastic. It's the protective from the sticky part with this gasket. That's gone. And then taking the cylinder head cover and then putting it right now. Obviously, there's a right way and a wrong way, I think. Oh no, there isn't. No, I don't think so. To make this look like a gasket that's going to go onto it, yep. So that kind of goes on, yeah, it's sticky. Tied down onto the cylinder head cover. Place the cylinder head cover on the cylinder head, making sure that both parts are aligned correctly. The small circular lug in blue must be on the same side of the cylinder head as the tunnel casting. So you've got this side here, which has got this pipe going off this way. It goes off that way. That must be on the same side, it says, as the tunnel. Just checking the photographs, I think it looks like that. So yeah, you've got the pipe going off the same side as the tunnel. Okay, and then turn it over. Got the holes for the screws, for the B-type screws. We're going to go in, make sure they're aligned, and then you're going to put the B-type screws in. Okay, so that's what it looks like when it's connected up. Make sure, as it says, the important thing is the tunnel and that pipe going off in the same direction. Okay, so we get this rigid pipe and this flexible pipe over, and yeah, this is just going to go onto that pin there. I'm going to push this on. Okay. That's then fitted on like that. Yeah. Okay, and that's all we're doing on this particular issue. Okay, so issue 22 done there. Oh, sorry, issue 23 done there. Sorry. Yeah, oil filter, but it's just getting the engine constructed a bit more, putting the cylinder head and the cylinder head cover on with that gasket in between them, and then that pipe. issue 24 is cylinder block and upper crankcase. Another part of the engine. It's just getting constructed, isn't it, this engine? Yeah. So we're carrying on the construction for the engine by the looks of things, but another big kind of die cast metal part. That'll be issue 24. That'll be coming up soon.